Are you having trouble adding a link to your Facebook profile in your Instagram bio? In this video, I will show you how to add a link to your Facebook profile in your Instagram bio. I'll walk you through the steps of where and how to add the link so that anyone who visits your Instagram profile can easily access your Facebook profile. So make sure to watch this video until the very end to learn how. To get started, open up the Instagram application and then tap on the profile picture icon at the bottom right corner of the screen. Once you are on your Instagram profile, tap where it says Edit Profile. And then tap where it says Add Links, which is right below the bio option. And now you will see an option called Add Facebook Link. So go ahead and tap on that. And if you don't have the account center set up, simply set it up to use this feature. Just tap on Add Link. And now you have successfully added your Facebook link to your Instagram bio. And now what you want to do next is go back and tap Done at the top right corner of the screen. As you can see, the Facebook profile link has been added to the Instagram bio. So that wraps up this tutorial. If you have any questions about this whole process, please let me know in the comments section below. And if this video helped you out, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for more tutorial videos like this one. Thank you so much for watching and have a good day.